Welcome back to another video, or welcome if this is your first time. My name is Chad Johnerson. I am your Denver Modern Agent. Today we are checking out a custom build here out in the Sloans Lake neighborhood, which is just west of Denver. It's probably one of the hottest neighborhoods for people that are looking to buy or sell or move to in the Denver metro area. Now we're checking out a property by Workshop, which is a custom builder here in Denver, and they do phenomenal work. Now, I will say, if you want more information on these particular homes or anything that they are building in the future, reach out to me. My contact information is going to be on screen or down below in the description. I want to put you guys on my VIP list so you know when properties like this from this builder particularly or other builders hit the market. Honestly, I want to let you guys know before they even get to the market so you have the best opportunity to get into these homes. Now, let's just jump right into this and check out this home. You guys are gonna love it.
These three properties in this project on Wolf Street offer 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, nearly 3,000 square foot of livable space, and a 2-car detached garage out back. Now there's an awesome indoor-outdoor living space right off the living room with an amazing cozy fireplace in there too for those cold winters as well. Now, up top, you're going to find a rooftop deck with your own mini bar right off of there as well. And the space on that 3rd floor can be used as a playroom or an office space. Honestly, the options are endless. Hope you guys enjoy checking out this custom property by Workshop.
Well, there you have it. We just finished checking out this property over here on Wolf Street, just literally a block from Sloans Lake. If you guys do need information about the Denver Metro real estate market, or if you're looking to get in properties like this, reach out to me now. My contact information, again, on screen, down in the description. I want to be able to help you guys get into a property that you absolutely love. And a big thank you to the listing agent for allowing me to come in here and show this property off to you guys, Jeff Palmquist. And a huge shout out to Workshop. These homes are absolutely gorgeous and they have projects all over the city. So if you're looking for a particular area, let me know and I'm sure we can get you guys into something that is just fits your needs perfectly. But hope you guys have a great rest of your day and we're gonna catch y'all in the next video.